We love partnering with you to bring reliable alternative energy to your customers. Innovation for your business is important, and LG is a brand you can trust. Decades of development have enabled us to bring you technology like our newest product, the LG NeON R Ace, a fully integrated module with the microinverter built right in. Let's take a look at how easy installation is with this product. Install step by step. All installs start with racking. An LG NeON R Ace install is no different. No special needs though. It's designed to move faster once your racking is done. Install the roof junction box before laying down any modules. Cut out appropriate tile sections, mount, and secure box panel. Connect piping and run wire. Secure the completed line and ground the system. Prep and secure the module connection cable as shown here. Close up the box and move on to module installation. You'll notice the difference between the LG NeON R Ace and traditional configurations right away. With the microinverter built in, LG creates a product with less parts to install. Pre-connected wiring also eliminates the need for trunking cable. Before going to the roof, secure on-module cabling by clipping each into place. Hand the entire module to your roof installer. Because there's no microinverter installed to the racking, LG Ace modules go in place quickly, speeding up your work. Place the Ace module in the desired space for your array design. Tighten into place with clamps, and continue. Remove cables from clips and position at the top of the panel for a lower rack, or let the cable run to the bottom of the panel for a top rack. Easy install should include easy wiring. Connect each module together by clipping the pre-installed cables firmly together. When you hear the click, it's done. Continue the install, running the final cable into the junction box line. Secure all wires to the racking with zip ties once connected. As you complete the install, be sure to complete your sticker mapping, as this will be important when you set up monitoring. Roof installation done. We're confident you'll feel this was a fast install with less moving parts to worry about. Let's get off roof and start to review steps for the basement and for smart monitoring tools. To start, run wiring from the roof junction box to the fuse box. The LG NeON R Ace configuration is designed to shorten basement time. No invasive drilling or installation of additional boxes. Simply install new fuses in the existing fuse box and connect to the new wiring. With the install completed, it's time to activate the smart monitoring tools, which come with an LG NeON R Ace. LG's Enterbox gateway system resembles a Wi-Fi modem and can fit just about anywhere in the home. Instead of drilling and installing new gateway boxes, simply plug Enterbox in. Be sure it's a location close to the service panel. Check the LED status of the inverter. You will find this on the left side of the box. Please note, the light will be amber during searching and flash green while detecting. Press the AP button. Now open Wi-Fi to connect Enterbox 2. Confirm the number of modules and start scan. When the LED status light goes solid green, this is complete. With the gateway activated, it's time to set up monitoring tools for this install. Your customer will do the same. Let's go to interview.lg-solar.com. Once there, click Installer and begin setup. Create an installer account and submit. Check your email. You'll receive password confirmation there. While waiting for this, download and then install Interview 2 Professionals app for iOS or Android devices. You'll need Android 5, iOS 9 or above. With your account activated, you can sign in easily on either device. Just enter your installer account login and password at the sign-in section of the page. During setup, request your customer's internet access information, as you'll be setting up this system on their premises. Create a new system using Interview 2 or Pro. Save the system and an email will be sent to the homeowner. Using your desktop computer, design the array for this install using Interview 2. Drag and drop the SKU numbers into place. Now activate the system. You're ready to help your customer activate their account and begin the monitoring process. We hope you found this video to be a great demonstration of how easy it is to install LG's NeON R-Ace integrated module. And don't forget, your work is supported by LG's 25-year warranty, covering parts, performance, and labor. We appreciate your partnership and look forward to many installs to come.